It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, I would like to give a special shout out again to Influsenter for sending me these two products for free, okay? For free, for my honest opinion. Today we're going to review the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. It's the water to foam shampoo with aloe and the Wash Day Delight Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. So these two products, they retail online for $10.99 a piece, which is a great deal because this is 16.9 ounces and this is 20 ounces. Dang, that's a lot of product. 20 ounces, 567 grams. Sorry, and I didn't do the grams. This is 500 milliliters. Dang, shorty. That's a bang for your buck right there. Two transformational products to cut time on wash day. How to use. Wet hair, use the pointed tip on the shampoo to target the scalp. Gently massage into a foaming lather. Rinse well. Apply conditioner. Spread throughout the scalp and hair, focusing on the ends. Rinse well. Follow with your favorite Carol's Daughter styling products. It feels pretty soft. It's not like extremely soft, but it's definitely not dry. I'm gonna go in with my regular deep conditioner because I think I need something else. I'm not really keen on the smell of this conditioner, but just as an added conditioning step, I think it's pretty good. Would I purchase this? I don't think so. The shampoo, you can pretty much get away with any shampoo, so I like that, but we'll see how my hair feels in a couple of days if it's extra dry. But like I said, right now it feels pretty soft. I can finger detangle, and now I'm just gonna move on to my next step. First, let's start with the shampoo. I really don't discriminate against too many shampoos, so right off the bat I knew this was gonna be fine. So it's like a more natural, it does not have sulfates. It says no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors. So right off the bat I knew I was gonna like this. As you can tell from this one use, I used a little bit, quite a bit of, I have a lot of hair. I like this shampoo. It's not really anything to like write home about. Would I actually repurchase this? Not really. But if I was in need of a new shampoo, I would definitely say try this one out. But if you don't need a new shampoo, don't run out and buy it, girl. I do like the fragrance on this one. It's a lot lighter than the conditioner, which we'll get into in a second. But yeah, I knew I was gonna like this shampoo also when I saw the nozzle. Any shampoo that you can really get into that scalp, girl, is good. It does exactly what it says. It goes on very liquidy, but it foams up like a regular shampoo. My hair didn't feel stripped. It felt really clean, but it didn't feel stripped. It didn't feel like super soft moisturized like some of my other shampoos. I also leave iCard above my favorite shampoos. It didn't necessarily make it feel like that, but it did feel soft and clean. Clarifying shampoo. So this is maybe a shampoo you would use every other week and not every week. Next up is the Jelly to Cream Conditioner. I have never felt anything like this. On the Carol's Daughter website, this is $10.99. I really like this because it's different. To me, it's different. I've never felt a conditioner that's jelly, but then it turns into like a cream. And I like how it elongated my hair. The only thing which I knew going in, I'm just not a fan of rinse out conditioners. It didn't feel stripped or anything. It didn't feel dry. It felt pretty good, and it still feels pretty soft to this day because I just used it this past week. I think this will be good also for my wigs. It seemed pretty moisturizing, so I think it would work good, and it's glycerin, so it's good for the summertime if your hair is not glycerin sensitive. This though, the fragrance is really strong in my opinion. The shampoo has the same fragrance, but it's not as strong. It's more cucumber to me than aloe, but maybe that's just my senses. But all in all, again, I think this is a good product. Would I purchase it? I don't really need it. If I needed it, I would repurchase again, but I don't feel like this is something that I would just be like, ooh, I can't wait to try that again, or oh, my hair felt XYZ. I think, all in all, I think these products are just okay. I would give this a 7 out of 10, would recommend. It just wasn't, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't amazing, if that makes sense. If you want to try it, I say give it a try. If it's in your budget, give it a try. But is this something I'm running out to get? Sorry, Carol. No, it's not. All right, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative to you. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys have tried the rose version of this, because it does come in the aloe and the rose petal. I wish I would have gotten the rose instead because I love the way rose smells. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!